Welcome back to News 3 Today at 11. This weekend, two female fitness powerhouses are coming together to host a back-to-school event like no other, one that incorporates health and wellness while also providing students and families with the tools they need for a successful new year. Shakera Greene is the owner of BOAW Fitness of Savannah. She is also the co-collaborator of this event. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you so much for having us out. I really appreciate you guys for giving us this opportunity to come on your platform and spread the word. So thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Oh, no problem. First of all, you're collaborating with DiaBeating the Odds. Tell me how that all started and what you intended to do.
So Portia Bimbo is the founder of DiaBeating the Odds. She is actually, this is personal for her because she is type 2 diabetic. So when she came to me, she was excited about joining forces because of course I have the fitness part, and for her the health part of spreading the knowledge of diabetes in our community was important, because students don't need to only be ready as far as school supplies, but they need to actually be ready as far as physicals, health screenings, and just having the knowledge that they need to complete a successful school year. Yeah. So, yeah.
So a lot of people don't consider that, though. You know, they kind of leave out that part. They think about the school supplies and the haircuts and the outfits that are needed for school, but health is a very big factor.
I would say it's the most important factor, especially for the parents. We want the parents to come out to the community for this event because we believe that if you guys are healthy and whole, then it makes the kids have a better successful school year because the parents are pouring into the kids. So it's important for us so that you guys have the knowledge, that you are aware of what's going on inside of your body, mentally and physically, so that way you can be the best for your children school year. So
now, if people are not familiar with BOAW Fitness, tell us what your agency does.
So BOAW Fitness is actually an all-women's gym. We are here to empower and uplift the community, especially our community, because we need it. We are here to show you what it's like to pour into yourself and know exactly who you are as a woman. So that's what we do for the community.
Yeah, and Portia used to be Jones. I remember when she was a little girl, and now is Bimbo now. She's in Atlanta with DiaBeating the Odds.
Yep, and Portia is absolutely amazing. She has been spearheading this event. The sponsors that we have to come out to the community is absolutely amazing. And she also has some giveaways from the Hawks that she's going to be able to give away at the event. So it's amazing.
Yeah, let's talk about some of the highlights, because really, you are really going all out. We're talking free backpacks, an on-site book fair.
Health screenings, physicals. I feel like that is the biggest thing that we'll be providing is free physicals. So if you have any kids that are missing their physicals, or you just want them to come to the event, this is a perfect opportunity. Cooper Center is going to be there to provide these resources for them, and then we'll also have a panel. And the panel will be there to give you different information, to answer questions, to really get involved in the health and wellness part of the event.
And also talking about mental health. I mean, in addition to physical health, we have to think about mental health as well.
And we all need that extra cushion. We all need that support, because right now, mental health is kind of plaguing our community. So we need each other, and this event is going to be able to provide you with those resources that you need in order to get the help that you need.
Yeah, and here's the fun part. No blueberry muffins, but you will have fitness classes at all levels.
Yes, we'll have Zumba classes, we'll have yoga classes, and then I'll be doing a HIIT class. So wherever you are inside your fitness journey, come out and we have a class for you.
Now, are you still looking for vendors?
We are still looking for vendors, and we're also looking, it's been very hard for us to find an endocrinologist. So we are really looking for an endocrinologist to come out and be a part of the panel. So if you guys know anyone that is interested in doing this, then please reach out to us at DiaBeatingTheOdds.org. Send their information there so that way we can get them on the panel.
All right, Shakera, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, thank y'all.
Boots on the ground, you see that? So here's the information on the screen. The Health and Wellness Back to School Bash is this Saturday from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. at BOAW Fitness Center. That's at 309 Main Street. If you look it up, it'll say Savannah. Some places it says Garden City, but you'll find it.
You'll find it.
309 Main Street. Thank you so much.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all, and hopefully we'll see you all this Saturday from 10 to 2.
All right, thank you. Stay with us. You're watching WSAV News 3 Today at 11. We'll be right back.